Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Plus for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Boost Mobile. It's currently in stock at Boost Mobile. The 256GB and 512GB versions are in stock as I'm recording this video October 8th. The 128GB iPhone 14 Plus is not in stock as I'm recording this video. So yeah, you guys have 3 colors to choose from: blue, product red, and purple color options there. The 128GB iPhone, if it lets me get over, it probably won't, but it's $929.99 for the 128GB version, $1029.99 for the 256GB version, which $1229 for the 512GB version. I keep saying $1229.99, but it's $1229.00. Alright, so yeah, so the iPhone 14 Plus is the cheapest of the flagship iPhones this year. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, but it has newer internals, except for the chipset is the same as last year's iPhone. So yeah, if you guys like the iPhone 13, I like the design and stuff, the iPhone 14 Plus is the phone for you guys to check out. So yeah, anyways, you guys have your notch for your front-facing camera there, earpiece, power button on the right side of the phone, brain keys on the left side, along with your alert switch, dual camera setup there on the back, Apple logo. There's the right side power button there. There it is in the 5 color options. Boost only has 3 of them, and the product red one's out of stock. I just realized that because the 512GB one, if you guys wanted them red and 512GB, it is not in the stock as I'm recording this video. I just saw a red line through it, so yeah. Yeah, so it's available in 5 colors. Boost only has 3 colors. There's a closer look at the dual cameras on the back, camouflage. There's the front, and there it is in the 5 different colors. Alright. The iPhone 14 Plus has a 6.7-inch display, 12 megapixel main camera, iOS 16 on board, 26 hours of video time. iPhone 14 Plus, think big with a larger 6.7-inch display, and all-day battery life, captures stunning photos in low light and bright light with the new dual camera system. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Alright, features, iPhone 14, wonderful. So there it is in 5 colors. Like I said, Boost only has 3 colors. Says me iPhone 14 and supersized iPhone 14 Plus with groundbreaking safety features, longer battery life than ever, and even more spectacular low light shots, all in 5 great colors. Design, big and bigger. All kinds of ways to customize your lock screen. The iPhone 14 Plus has a bigger screen, 6.7 inches than the iPhone 14. Only has 6.1 inch display. Beautifully durable, swift ceramic shield. It has water resistance as well. Safety, vital safety features you will hopefully never need, but if you do, they're there. Emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you're off the grid. With crash detection, the iPhone 14 can detect a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't. Battery, a huge plus for battery life, up to 26 hours of video playback on the iPhone 14 Plus, up to 20 hours of video playback on iPhone 14. Camera, a major leap in low light photos. An enhanced main camera and improved image processing lets you capture even more sensational shots in all kinds of light, especially in low light. Video, smoother takes without the shakes. Whether you are filming while hiking up a rocky trail or chasing your kids to the park, try action mode for smooth handheld videos. Alright. Chip A15 Bionic, fast that lasts. The super speedy chip with a 5-core GPU powers all the latest features and make games and AR apps feel ultra fluid. Like I said, the iPhone 14 Plus is the cheapest of the flagship iPhones this year, and yeah, it has last year's iPhone chip, A15 Bionic chip in there. An upgraded internal design delivers better thermal efficiency, so you can stay in the action longer. Right. Specs: 6.7-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display. Battery: built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Video time up to 26 hours. Fast charge A15 Bionic chip. iOS 16. 7.16 ounces. Cameras: dual 12 megapixel camera, main and ultra wide camera lens. The main camera has a 1.5 aperture. The ultra wide camera has a f2.4 aperture. 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gigabytes of storage. You guys also have 5G, of course, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi capable, Lightning connector, Apple Pay. Dimensions: 6.33 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Other features include Face ID, water dust proof rating IP68. What's included in the box is not that much, of course. You guys get the iPhone 14 Plus, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box, so yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Boost Mobile, currently in stock for the 256 or 512 gigabyte storage options. The product red color is not in stock for the 512 gigabyte iPhone 14 Plus, so keep that in mind. Hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, all color options and storage options will be available to be purchased. Alright, so yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.